Chapter 14, Part 2, Translation. Je n'aime pas le sujet dont il parlait. So we've got to watch out for the tenses here because we've got a present here and an imperfect there. So I do not like the subject. And so now we have dont. So we can start with of which he was speaking. Or we translate, I do not like the subject about which he was speaking. Tu vois ces chiens auxquels je parlais? This is a question. You see, so it would be do you see these dogs to which, or to whom, if you want to personify the dogs, I was speaking? Do you see the dogs to which I was speaking? Or do you see those dogs? So here we have ces chiens, so it could be these dogs or those dogs. Number 3, je ne pouvais pas voir la porte par laquelle j'étais entré. So here we have both a imperfect, and here the helping verb's in the imperfect. So this is the pluperfect, pluperfect, or the plus que parfait. So je ne pouvais pas voir, I was not able to see, or I couldn't see, the door by which j'étais entré, I had entered. We'll put the helping verb in the past tense. I had entered for the pluperfect. I was not able to see the door by which I had entered. La personne à qui il donna le stylo ne parlait pas doucement. So here we've got donna, which is in the passé simple, literary tense, and the imperfect. The person to whom he gave the pen did not or was not talking softly. So the person to whom he gave the pen was not speaking softly.